What if I told you that you were never meant to get it right the first time? The perfection was never the goal, progress was. How much more grace would you give yourself? How much more could you embrace the learning process if you saw mistakes not as failures but as stepping stones? Today is about shifting your mindset, about realizing that growth happens through trial and error, not instant perfections. In a world obsessed with instant results, we forget that the most meaningful things in life are built over time. Nobody masters a skill overnight. No one steps into their full potential without failing, adjusting, and trying again. Every artist refines their craft, every leader makes mistakes, and every strong soul has had moments of doubt. Yet, we expect ourselves to be flawless from the start. We hesitate to begin because we fear getting it wrong. But what if getting it wrong was part of getting it right? What if every setback was actually redirecting you, shaping you into who you are meant to become? Imagine if a sculpture abandoned their masterpiece the moment the first chip of stone didn't fall perfectly into place. They wouldn't see the beauty that would emerge through patience, persistence, and vision. In the same way, you are shaping your life, not through instant perfection, but through showing up and refining yourself along the way. Your fear of making mistakes cannot hold you back because mistakes are not the option of success, they are part of the journey toward it. What matters is not how many times you fall, but how many times you rise. Not how perfect you are, but how committed you are to becoming the best version, perfect version of yourself. Challenge of the day. Today, give yourself permission to try without expecting perfection. Choose one thing, a project, a goal, a personal habit, and take action on it, no matter how small. Let go of the need for instant mastery. Instead, focus on the act of beginning, of showing up, and of allowing yourself to grow through the process. Remember, life is not a test you need to pass, it's a journey you are meant to experience. The mistakes, the stumbles, the moments of doubt, they are all part of your transformation. So, be kind to yourself, keep showing up, keep growing, and most importantly, keep trusting in the process. See you tomorrow for another step forward on this journey.